Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the subject control system. A control system is a system which provides the desired response by controlling the output. The following figure show the simple block diagram of a control system. Here the control system is represented by a single block since the output is controlled by the varying input. The control system got this name. We will vary this input with some mechanism. Example of control system: traffic light control system and washing machine. Traffic light control system is an example of control system. Here a sequence of input signal is applied to the this control system and the output is one of the three light that will be on for some duration of time. Classification of the control system: continuous time and discrete time control system, single input and single output control system, and multi input and multi output control system. In continuous time control system, all the signal are continuous in time, but in discrete time control system there exist one or more discrete time signals. Control system can be classified as CISO control system and MIMO control system based on the number of input and output present. Single input and single output control system have one input and one output, but multi-input and multi-output control system have more than one input and more than one output. Types of control system: open loop control system and closed loop control system. Control system can be classified as open loop control system and closed loop control system based on the feedback path. The open loop control system output is not feedback to the input, so the control action is independent of the desired output. The following figures show the block diagram of the open loop control system. Here, an input is applied to a controller and it produces an actuating signal or controlling signal. The signal is given is an input to a plant or process which is to be controlled. So the plant produces an output which is controlled. The traffic light control system which we discussed earlier in the example of a open loop control system. In closed loop control system, output is feedback to the input, so the control action is dependent on the desired output. The following figures show the block diagram of negative feedback closed loop control system. The error detector produces an error signal, which is the difference between the input and the feedback signal. This feedback signal is obtained from the block by considering the output of the overall system is an input to the block. So the controller produce an actuating signal which control the plant. In this combinational, the output of the control system is adjusted automatically till we get the desired response of the system. The difference between the open loop and closed loop control system are mentioned in the following table. Open loop control system and closed loop control system. In open loop control system, each control's action is independent to the desired output, and closed loop control system control action is dependent on the desired output. Second, open loop control system feedback path is not present, but closed loop control system feedback path is present. In open loop control system, there are also called as non-feedback control system and closed loop control system also called feedback control system. In open loop control system, easy to design and closed loop control system is difficult to design,